All right, y'all, welcome back to Mastering Mayhem. Today I have a full surprise box that arrived from Harbor Freight. We're going to open it up and see some of the latest and greatest tools that Harbor Freight has to offer. Let's get in here. I know it's been a while, y'all. Baby number 7 is finally old enough to where we're getting some kind of a regular schedule throughout our day. And I can start making content again full time for you. So we got some great tools in here, you guys. Some stuff you may not have seen yet. They are newer tools from Harbor Freight. For example, the new 1/4 inch drive standard and metric 52-piece set from Icon. It's a great set right there. This is their newer one. Then we got the electrician shears from Doyle. A lifetime guarantee, by the way. Okay, I gotta install this. We got this Hallmaster spare tire carrier. Gotta attach that to the Hallmaster modular trailer that Harbor Freight sent my way. So they do make that, in case you didn't know. Oh, I've been needing it. Wow. Look at this. The Bauer 115-piece Cobalt drill bit set. This is gonna be great. Fantastic to open it up. Wow, okay, there's some great stuff in here. Y'all, Braun makes a tactical flashlight. It's a 1000 lumen tactical rail mount LED light. For those of you that didn't know, Braun does make a tactical LED light. I had to get the 7 1/4 inch 40 tooth circular saw blade. Definitely a good one by Hercules. And the reason I had to get that is because this finally came in. The 7 1/4 inch rear handle circular saw brushless by Hercules. Look at this guy, looks incredible. This is a blade left rear handle circular saw, you guys. Comparable to a 15 amp corded power rear handle circular saw. Can't wait to open this one up. Oh, yes indeed. This guy right here, the Hercules 20 volt 1/2 inch compact 4-mode brushless impact wrench, saying 500 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. I haven't really seen anyone show this one yet or compare it to any of the other brands out there. So I can't wait to do that. And of course, a classic, but an all-time favorite, your 3-inch cutoff tool. It is brushless, and it's amazing, and it even comes with an adjustable shoe. Everything you could possibly want, all included in here. Final one here, which I've been wanting forever, the Hercules 20 volt shop blower. This guy's got some power, and it's got some attachments or accessories. Looking forward to opening this up, so let's get to it. All right, first one we're gonna unbox. I'm glad Hercules came out with the rear handle circular saw. Look at that. So they will include a framing 7 1/4 inch 24 tooth blade and this guy right here. Let's install them. The wrench is right here on the bottom. Just slide it out the opposite way. Tighten, loosen. Here we go. Perfect. There we go. Very smooth. The exhaust goes right there, you guys. We're good to go. Got a really robust, solid hook right there. Let's put this 12 ampere in here and see how it does. All right, this thing is powerful. Absolutely love it. Brushless, great handle here at the front. Depth of the blade goes from 0 all the way up to 1 3/4 inch. And then that bevel cut goes from 0 degrees all the way up to 50 degrees, y'all. Wow. Look at that angle that you get there. Easy to read markings here on the front. One really cool feature, it'll stand up tall right on the front end. That is pretty cool. That's just nice when you set it down, right? You know, coming down off your ladder or whatever, you just put it down, it'll just stand up tall. All right, that's it. We're just doing the unboxing today. I wanted you guys to see it, hear it, get a closer look. Let's go on to the next one. Next on the list is this Cobalt high-speed steel 115-piece drill bit set. Everything's on there, fractional number and letter index set. And if you're like me, always doing assemblies, installs, builds, things like that, this would be a great set for you as well. All metal case. Let's take a closer look. Wow. Really nice set, you guys. Look at this set. Every single drill bit that you could possibly need, it is all in here, you guys. It's got the general tap information there. American Standard machine screws right there. The drill bit should never fall out. This is the most complete drill bit set I've ever owned, and I'm glad I have it. at Harbor Freight right now. All right, for you guys that didn't know, Hercules does have a 40 carbide 2 7¼ inch circular saw blade made for hardwood, softwood, plywood. It has precision laser cut vents for reduced vibration in all materials. Comes with non-stick electroshield coating. At 2 times life and speed. Yeah, right here it says diamond knockout for warm drive style saws. There you go. Great circular saw blade. And now with 40 carbide teeth, you're just going to get a smoother cut. And it fits the 5/8 inch arbor. This is going to be going on that new Hallmaster trailer that we got. Modular one that's absolutely amazing. It comes with ramps, stabilizer jacks, etc. But I wanted you guys to know about it. I'll be mounting it and making a video on it soon. But basically 4 bolts clamping onto the frame of your trailer. I've been waiting on this guy for a while as well. So very, very excited this guy finally arrived. 500 foot-pounds of breakaway torque is pretty incredible for a compact 1/2 inch impact wrench. It is quite compact. Look at this guy. That is actually really slim. Comes with the belt clip, of course. All of their brushless Hercules power tools come with 5-year warranty. All right, there's a speed through. Wow, that's really, really quiet. Switch right here. 1, 2, 3, and auto. Auto in reverse slows down significantly. Forward is fine. 1, 2, 3. It's actually really quiet. This is the Milwaukee 3/8 inch compact. Much quieter. Look how loud the Milwaukee is. This is much quieter. Here's the DeWalt 3/8 inch compact. It's quite a bit taller and a lot louder. First impression with the Hercules, and I really, really like it. I like how quiet it is. Hopefully it's going to perform well. Stay tuned for that video. Next, we have the Doyle electrician shears. 10 to 22 gauge cutting capacity, 50% less cutting force required. Comes with the belt clip. Really, really nice. Okay, very well built. Oh yeah, these are, wow. Very smooth. Inox HRC 56. So it goes in there very securely. That's okay, yeah. That sheath holds on very, very well. That's a really nice pair of shears. So for all of you telecom guys, data guys, a pair of these will definitely help out on the job site. And now for the job site blower, that it includes the accessories so you can inflate all kinds of stuff. That's a really solid detachable tube right there. Let's get this guy out. All right, you guys, Hercules makes some high quality tools. Pure and simple. Look how quickly it goes together. And then the front rubber part connects quickly as well. And you're set. Look at that. See how it sounds. Okay, that's on speed 1. 2. And 3. And you can lock it. There you go. You guys can find it at Harbor Freight. It's going just like that. This guy right here, Braun 1000 lumen tactical rail mount LED light. It is compatible with most full-size and compact Picatinny railed firearms, Glock style, Beretta 92, Smith & Wesson 99, and Smith & Wesson TSW, etc. 1 hour, 30-minute runtime, 850-foot throw, low profile compact design, drop proof up to 5 feet for durability, high temperature shock mounted, impact resistant, Borofloat glass lens, wow. Convenient rail system allows for easy attachment and detachment without any tools. Yep. All right. 3-volt CR123As. And these are not rechargeable. Just on, tap and hold, it'll stay on, and then push it again, and it'll flash. I think Braun did a great job with this. It has some extra hardware. The 3-inch cutoff tool, almost every brand has this. It's such a great tool, such a useful tool. Comes with a beautiful shoe that's detachable, as you can see. And I think it includes 3 blades, you guys. They give you a tile blade, abrasive blade, and of course your metal cutoff wheel. A must-have tool. Look how compact that is. It's got plenty of power. The Allen wrench storage is just right there. Let's get a blade on here. Pop the Allen wrench back in. We got the little 4 amp 12 volt. Push it in from the right side, it locks it. Push it in from the left side. Beautiful. Nice bright LED light right there. Just a really great compact cutoff tool. The guard, you can rotate. Look, plenty of cutting power for the more shallow cuts. Really, really love this cutoff tool because it's such a great price at Harbor Freight. And it is brushless. Last but not least is the Icon 1/4" drive compact socket and bit set. Put sockets in it finally. And it's beautiful. 1/4" square drive right there. Adjustable head. 1/4" to hex adapter. And you're ready to go. And you can put your 1/4" right there. Just whatever works for you. Extension adapters here. All the way up to size 14. Yeah, that's just a nice set. Also spring action here. So it just pops right up when you open it up. And then I guess when you close it, springs down. It's definitely something to have in your vehicle, in your shop, your studio, your home. It's going to come in handy all the time. And that's the last one. This one's from Icon. This is their new 1/4" drive socket and bit set. And you can find this at Harbor Freight as well. Thanks for hanging out for the unboxing. Let me know which one was your favorite or which one you already have. And stay tuned. We have a lot more unboxing videos ahead. And as always, follow for more tools, tech, DIYs, and amazing deals.